Kathy Phillips, and I'm a Cognos developer for both the Anschutz campus and the Boulder campus.
And my name is Greg Brown with the Campus Controller's Office on the Boulder campus.
The tool that we developed is actually a Cognos report. It has tried to pull in all of the PeopleSoft data from the 9.2 conversion that happened, and we were trying actually to solve a huge backlog with the grant accountants on the Boulder campus.
When the conversion went to PeopleSoft 9.2, the backlog and the routing processor increased significantly because the grant accountants had to look for information on 45 different screens, and that was for an award that just had one project. For awards that had additional projects, they had to look at an additional 8 screens for each project. The implications of that were that revenue recognition couldn't happen until the routing process was done for both awards or amendments. Then that delayed invoicing and drawdowns. Bottom line, dollars that were owed to the university were being delayed.
The fix was the Cognos report. The tool was built in Cognos. I've been a Cognos developer for probably 12 years now. Made me really sad to see what they were going through, trying to walk through all of these 45 screens in the actual PeopleSoft application. So I tried to pull all of that information, consolidate it into a nice little Excel report with one tab for the award information and a tab for each project. So it just made it a lot more efficient for them to be able to review their information and get them set up faster.
So using the new tool, it takes the grant accountants about 50% of the time to do the routing process than under the old process. In FY17, the grant accountant team processed about 3,200 awards. And if we did the quick math as far as time savings, equates to roughly 400 person hours a year. So that's just on the time it saved. And now revenue can be recognized much more quickly, and invoicing and drawdowns can be done more timely. There's $500 million that the Boulder campus processed last year. It's getting dollars into the university much more quickly than under the old process. So there was one cost saving to this. As a result of the growing backlog, temporary staff had to be brought in to start whittling down the backlog. And now with the new tool, the temporary staff has been reassigned. We began using it on the Boulder campus in February of 2018.
I actually have rolled it out to the Anschutz campus already and have plans to roll it out to the Springs campus as well.
And immediately heard very, very positive feedback from the staff.